Hello, you've been working hard today, researching your tribe and taking notes. Let's try to grow an idea that we learned or got today from our research. To do this, we are going to write long. Writing long off of a Post-it helps us to grow and support our ideas. Here is how you set up your page. First, you want to list the title, the author, and the section, or page number, if you will, from where you got your thought. Next, you'll want to actually place the sticky note or write down one of your ideas in a box with your initial observation, question, prediction, or thought. Again, please make sure you include the page number in which you got this from. Then we'll add further comments and thinking. Here's an example using the template that's available to you online. The book I read was Native People of the Northeast. The author was Barbara M. Lindy, and my thought came from page 16. Again, if you want to add the section, you can go ahead and add that in there. The title of the section of the book that I read is called The Lenape, and then in parentheses, the word Delaware. I'm ready to do the next part, which is to further my comments and thoughts about my initial Post-it. Writing long off a Post-it. A sticky note comment is just a snapshot of your thinking. It's how quickly you can write something down or how short you're able to write it down in a sentence or in a thought, whether you're typing your notes, writing them on paper, or still using Post-it notes like you did in class. By writing long, you grow your ideas and thoughts about the story, about your tribe, and stretch your ability to support your ideas. To help us to support our ideas and stretch our thinking, we can use sentence starters, such as, in addition, on the other hand, I agree with you because, although really, I'm just agreeing with myself. I disagree because, I'd like to add on to what I said. This might not be right, but maybe. Why do you think? Instead, it could be, why do I think? Or, what do you think about some of this? If you are using the Google template, the sentence starters are also available directly on the template. Now I'm ready. I just need a timer. If you Google online timer, Google has one directly on there. You can set your timer to 5 minutes and then hit start. Make sure the volume is on so you can hear when the timer goes off. Even if the timer doesn't go off yet, I want you to try to push yourself and keep on writing ideas down until time is up. See if you can write for the whole 5 minutes. If you get stuck, then use one of the sentence starters to try to add another thought. I'm going ahead and get started. See your slides today for my completed write long as a sample that you can reference as you get ready to write your own. Good luck and happy writing.